Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video guys, I'm super excited because we're heading to Linaw Resort and Hideaway. By the way guys, I'm with my friends. I'm with Ate Jonna and her daughter, Zikea, Mindy, and Desiree. And we've got an amazing day planned. We're going to explore, relax, and have a great time. So stay tuned to see all the fun.
Na tayo ngayon sa Masyo kaya ngay mag-vlogger. Agoy.
So as you can see in the video guys, getting there was really a struggle, but it was definitely worth it once we arrive at the resort. And yay, finally we're here. Welcome to Linaw Resort and Hideaway. So guys, let's have a quick tour. So this is the entrance area guys. As you can see, the place, it's very peaceful. It's giving nature lover vibes like that, you know. And then the places is very beautiful, green kayo mo makita sa surroundings. Relax jud ka with your friends, family, loved ones, with your co-workers, teams like that. And this is the pool area guys. Here you need to have a reservation because they don't accept walk-in. Plus points kina sila iro guys. And we were really hungry guys since we came straight from work and headed here to the resort. So we decided to eat first before we start enjoying.
Happy birthday, Toyo, Desiree. Happy birthday kaya hawak ka. Happy birthday.
Birthday ni mo das October.
Happy.
Sabi na kailangan pa din siya kayon.
Kanang priority Japon niyang anak.
Pluspad ang ilang.
Gani ma'am, ni kaon gani ko ma'am nga kanang wala pa na mix. Zikea.
Ali B. Ali sabi. Ali ba?
Last sa Gen Z.
Hi.
Sorry.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Thank you for calling.
Thank you for Ay, kana 0.5 na tayo kayo.
Hala, dito pwede ani mo kuan kay nani blip ang
Hi guys, nami karon sa Linaw Resort sa Guadalupe. Ano lang, na-vlog lang ko. Sa ganahan mo support na ko, supportae ko. Ang
Iba.
oh guys. Oh, cute kayong mga butterfly. Hindi mo kita. Tutas na. Lalo. Naa. Ilupad siya. Mga butterfly. Dugunog butterfly. Dari pwede siya may mga butterfly sanctuary. Cute. No, bakit sa butterfly guys?
Dul sa ulo ngayon ka nati. Aesthetic ka na ang atake nimo. Oh, nakikita mo dyan sila.
Yung mga butterfly guys. So kung ganahan mo maari, ari na mo sa Guadalupe.
Da.
Din guys. Buhay ara pa. Tugnaw kay so.
Ako hapdo sa mga pa.
Wala nagtugnaw Leslie?
Wala.
Tugnaw lagi ko.
Laban pa ka? Oh, laban pa. Medyo yun sa amin. Oh, trapo. Gipik. Tapay. Gikantawan na ka na. Sa tabangan kikatawan pa ni.
Uluti awat eh. Jud sa ana sa guti kanang
Tabangi ate. Mermaid man ko daw siya.
Kuan ba ko kung nako ulit.
Muna. Literal na mermaid ng dayan.
Ay makatabang. Ayos. Ayos. Kundi ng kapot.
Si Mindy pinaan na gud siya. Gilukot na yung kamot. Uy, kaya kamot gana sa sos.
Kahurot na jud siya.
Aha.
Sugot.
Tawaan na ha. Kita nagkawat pa ta pero hindi na nagpakatawa.
Naurot na gali, kahurot na no.
Oh, dai pati yung anak di.
Fast forward na lang ta kay nalimot jud ko nga napalay vlog. Wala nun ko ka video.
Finally, we're going
I will not take videos na guys kay going home na me and then moagi pa jud mid kolon so it's very delicado.
Heavy sa rain.
Nihapit nila ti Joyce guys paunang naamtan siya may grabe kagabi and then very grabe jud kayo ang ulan mo nang na-stranded me.
Ang ending ka grab.